beautiful fairy tale this is, and we are going to paint this very nicely. Okay everyone, I am now going to draw a dress color. Let us see which color will look good. Will pink look good or yellow will look good? I think pink will look good. Okay, now we are going for skin color. Okay, now we are going to put red color sandal. Okay, now we are going to put yellow color for the wings. Look how nicely I have drawn the fairy tale. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon and share my videos. Thank you.